Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Afro Gardener. It is a beautiful day here in Tennessee. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about using recycled materials to make planters. Let's get into it.
Dream of you can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you can I help it if I dream of you?
So I'm going to be talking about using stuff that you have every day or you might have to use as planters to plant your vegetables or flowers or whatever you might want to grow. Um, I've talked to quite a few people, and they said that they want to start growing food, but they don't have the funds or have the money to buy what they feel they need to start their small garden or whatever. But you do not have to have that much money. Now, if you are going for a certain type of look or you want a certain thing to look a certain way, then these tips or these things I'm going to be showing you might not be for you. If you fancy, these might not be for you. If you bougie, this might not be for you. But I just wanted to show you guys a couple things that I'm going to be using um, to use as to start seeds and to kind of have an area where I can go ahead and have my seeds started and keep them outside because I have little kids and they be into everything. So now I'm gonna start with this. This is a ramen noodle box. Now I use ramen noodles to I use the ramen noodles for stir fries and to just eat. I put my own spin on them. I put greens and onions and other things in them. You okay? Okay. I put other things. No, because there's nobody to go with you. You can ask Dad if he want to take you over there. But you can ask Dad if he'll take you on the street. Okay? On your bike. I use ramen noodles, to cook different meals and things like that. So I acquire a bunch of these boxes, and I was sitting and I was like, man, what could I use to start my seeds where I could have, something that's biodegradable. I don't have to go and buy anything, and something that I could come up with myself. And I thought about this. I thought about boxes that I already have. Now, I'm going to be starting seeds in here. Now, I thought about maybe starting tomatoes in here because this is kind of deep, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm not sure what I'm going to start in here, but I'm going to start something. So this is, if you eat a lot of ramen noodles or something like that, this is a pretty good sturdy box. I grew, I started sunflowers in a ramen noodle box like this last year. So this is definitely something that, you can use. It don't cost no money. I mean, besides just buying the noodles. Noodles are cheap anyway. So they can be dual purpose, reuse it, and it's biodegradable. Now, I also have this other box. This is what my ball jars came in. If you can tell where the jars were. My ball jars came in this box. Same purpose. You can use this box to start some kale if you want, some other type of greens, top soy greens. You can start them in here, thin them, put them in your in-ground garden bed, or if you have a a raised bed, you can put it in there. The seeds that you start in here, you can use this. Now, what I was thinking about was, okay, so if it rains, I don't want, all my seeds gonna be all over the place. The box is gonna get destroyed. But then I found something else. So my 4-year-old just turned 4, and we had bought him a cake for his birthday. And so when we bought him a cake, it came in a container. And as you can see, this container would be great to use to cover both of these boxes. It could go over the boxes like this. Hold on. You can place them over your box like this. And you have a mini greenhouse. You know what I'm saying? Like super easy. Now I don't know, you know, I have 4 little ones, so we got a bunch of birthdays coming up. So, well, my birthday, and then my 8-year-old's gonna be turning 9. So that's two of these tops that I can reuse. Now I did purchase, well, actually it was a gift to me. Somebody gave me a actual seed starting tray with the top that goes onto it. But if you don't have the money, like some people I know, maybe on a fixed income, or they just really don't have the extra $10 or $20 or even $5 extra to buy that, these are definitely some things that you can do to get you started with your seeds if you wanted to start them. Now, last year I left them in this. I left my sunflowers in this for probably, I think maybe like 4 weeks. Now, I would not suggest leaving them in that long. By the time, you know, I would start my seeds, 6 to 8 weeks, probably 6 weeks before your last frost, depending on whatever you're going to be growing. You know, look at the seed packet for instructions. But like I probably would use the directions on the package of seeds that you're using. If it says start indoors 4 weeks before, do that. If it says start indoors 6 weeks before, do that. Follow the directions. Don't leave it in here, because sunflowers specifically, they need more space to really get big and grow, depending on what variety of sunflowers that you're growing. But if you're just trying to grow some greens, some sprouts, or you know, some microgreens, you could definitely use this, or use this type of combination. So yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. I hope this really helped somebody. It was really on my mind that a lot of people may want to start gardens or want to start growing food, but they might just not have the funds even to buy anything. So that's definitely something that you can try. If you have soil at your house, you can use that soil. You don't have to go and buy soil. To remedy the soil, you can just take, you know, food scraps and work it through there. I think I'm going to do a separate video about working with your soil, but I hope you got something out of this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out. I forgot to tell y'all, whenever you use the cardboard, cut just a few holes in there for drainage, because you don't want all that water to sit in there. So, my bad, I forgot. See you later.
See you later.